All right, everyone, for the first How to Draw of this month's Dr. Seuss theme, we have the Lorax. Now, I do not have the Lorax book with me today. However, I will pop up a reference probably at the top of the screen just to show you what we'll be doing. What his body's going to look like is a little round top. And then go all the way down till about here. And then we're gonna make a line that goes all the way down to this little circle. Okay? Okay. You know what? Erase this part, or at least the beginning part. Next, what we will do is we are going to make the legs. Now, the body isn't going to be the only part of the legs, just because of how detailed. Okay. Okay. So next, we will be adding a curve right about here, and another curve to show the leg of the line leg. And then we're gonna make one here, but in a different shape, and another curve. And then these parts you can connect. Okay? So then next, what we can do is we can draw the feet. So the feet, we'll just draw little, well, long triangles for now. And then we have the body all started up. Now we can erase any unnecessary lines. Okay. Now, we should probably give him some arms. So, when it comes to the arms, we can add a line here, and we're gonna make his body kind of a little bit more flexible. So, in other words, we're just gonna make a curve to show the hand that's holding the truffula. So just a curve at the end, and then another curve beginning outside of the body shape, okay? And for this one, what I did was going down, like a little curve, and then a little line curve going up and then down. And then after that, we'll just finish off with a curve and then a line, okay? Next step is to draw the truffula. So because we made his hand a little bit triangular, we want to kind of keep that sort of look. So we're just going to add a line and a line, and another one here. Now this will just be a basic hand, just to give you a heads up. I wouldn't want to confuse anybody. High details. So where we were was going up this way, another line, and another line. It almost looks like a little house for a hand. But back to what we're going for is we're gonna add, I think 3 lines to show the hand holding the truffula. And I'm just going to make this part of it a little bit more like the top, but if you don't want to do that, that's okay too. Okay. And to draw the truffula, we're going to make a curve, another curve, just to show almost like a tree line, because a truffula is basically like a tree. And similar to the a firework, we can just do little squigglies like this to make it look like a truffula. And if you want to make it look more planty, you can connect all those lines that you ended up making. Squish, squish, squish. Okay. So we'll erase any unnecessary lines. And you know what? We might as well erase that one too. It does not exist to us anymore. All right. So, looks like we've got the body all sorted out. Now, what's next will be the mustache and the nose. So when it comes to the mustache, I'm assuming everybody knows what type of mustache the Lorax has. So we'll just start off with a curve going up and then down, and then down and work its way up. And same thing goes with here and then up. Now, it's not as fancy looking as this one. So what we're going to do is we're also going to make it fuzzy. So in order to make fuzzies, you're just going to kind of bring your pencil to make a curve and then back into the line. So I'm just going outside of the lines just to have fun. If you have a certain way of making a fuzzy mustache, definitely use it. I think it could bring out much creativity and fun. Okay, so we're just going to do the same to this side. Okay, and the Lorax is actually pretty fuzzy, so if you'd like to do this part, you may. If not, that's okay too. I'm going to make him a bit more fluffy with the same method that we used to make the mustache. So the next step we're going to do is we're just going to draw two closed eyes. So it's one closed eyelid, and just the way it looks like he's sniffing, we can do the other one closed. So it's just two curves. And can't forget about that lovely nose he has. All right. And might as well give him a little squiffle up top. Ooh. There we go. And let's just erase all the non-essential parts. Okay. Now I'm going to do one of what I like to call like a Sharpie time, I suppose. And what I do is I just pick out a few, Sharpie colors and just have a little bit of fun. If you would like to do this part too, feel free to color the Lorax any way you'd like. I'm sure you'll make a wonderful design. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.